What's up, bitches and hoes? We are here at the Brunch Bros. Con Nat. We're at the Brunch Bros.
Really early on a Tuesday.
How early is it?
I don't know, 7?
It's 7?
Oh no, it's 8 already. I've been up since 6.
Oh yeah, you're right.
We're about to start putting everything away in its place, unpack with us. However, the Wi-Fi guy just got here, so we're gonna let him do his thing and then we're gonna tidy up this place because it's a disaster. Look at the lighting. I'm so excited about the lighting for vlogs. Yay! As you guys can see, we have not gotten much done. We're tired. We ended up going to Lay for a while. We're gonna go to the store to buy things we need. David said if I throw away my computer desk chair, he'll buy me a new one if I throw it away today. So we're gonna go find me a computer chair. Also groceries, because we're sick and tired of eating out. What else are we doing? And doing a Target run because we need like to wash the dishes. We need stuff for that. So let's head out on our outing in AZ for the first time. Let's go. We just dropped off Wally. We are going to Ikea. Last minute decision to go to Ikea. I think that's where I'm getting my chair. I saw a cute one. I'll show you guys when we get home. And we're gonna see what they have for a TV unit thingy. Because I've been spying on OfferUp and on Facebook Marketplace. Because I'd rather get one that's already built and used. But I've been looking for like 2 weeks since before we moved here and I haven't gotten lucky, so maybe we'll get lucky at Ikea. Let's go. I heard that you can't film there, so I might not film. I'm gonna do my best until they tell me not to film. All right? All right. You ready? This is where we're gonna, oh, this is the one I want. Look, the gloss is not that much. Huh? It is glossy on the front, but not that much. This is the one I want.
Like the opening, right?
I like this one better. I think we're gonna get this one. We like these, except it might clash with our floors because our floors are really gray.
Yeah.
That's why we're going for a white, but if it wasn't for that, we would get this one. I wanted to get a new bath mat color, but they only have the one we have.
They might have more over there.
Let's go. Which rug do we like? I mean, we wanted a light and bright.
I don't mind like a light.
This looks like the one we had.
Yeah, it looks dirty.
Like
though.
it looks
This
dirty.
dirty.
This is like too. Wally would love this.
Alright, put it on the cart.
Oh shit, I don't know. It's up there, bro.
Yeah, we'll climb up there. You gotta climb though. Want me to get you a ladder? I'm kidding, I'll get it here. Here, I'll get it.
No.
Huh?
That doesn't look beige to me. That looks gray to me. There's another, oh, over here, over here. Right, shell? Oh, this is blue.
That's blue. It is beige.
It is? It is beige. I guess that looks gray to me, but okay.
It looks great, but it's beige.
It looks gray.
Blue
But it says it right here that it's beige?
yeah, it's double check.
I feel like this one's gray.
No, look.
What?
This is gonna be a thumbnail. Go, here.
What?
It's a go-kart. Sick ass go-kart. Damn.
We'll be back, okay? Alright, I had to go get my phone because I almost forgot I'm filming today. But we are on our way to
your
the
phone?
My camera! My camera. I almost didn't go back.
Wait, lock it.
I forget we have a garage and we have to close it. Anywho, we're going to Home Goods because we need a rug for our living room. Our last rug was just like done. It wasn't like in any condition to take to our new home. David wants to see the rugs in person, like laid out, not like rolled up. And the only place that really does that is Home Goods and like furniture stores. Oh shit, I don't know where I'm going. Where's the map? Go.
Wait,
nice.
what city are we going towards?
I think this is still Phoenix. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but we'll find out.
Alright, what are we looking for?
A rug, but these are too big. We don't have a house.
I know.
But I like this one. This one. This is the tones that I'm going for.
Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to see in camera because there's like blue tones.
One on Amazon for $130.
But I do like the print. It's kind of nice.
Cashier number 2.
It's too cool tone.
I don't think so.
It looks blue to me.
It doesn't
It's
really.
$80. This is perfect, probably.
What size is it?
I think this is the size we need, to be honest. We should have measured. We're so bad.
Cashier number 2, please.
See anything else?
No.
These are blue toned.
These are all blue tone. I don't want a blue tone rug. This
Right,
box
what do you
is
think?
cute. Look at it.
Cashier
Alright.
number 4,
That's
please.
it. Let's go to the next spot.
We're going into Big Lots.
These are blue. Why are they always blue and gray?
I don't know.
Oh my god, there's so
Let's
many.
do this one.
Ooh, I'm down. Get dirty so fast.
I
But
know.
it's so soft.
No.
No, that's a no, you're right. It's a no.
I like the
I like
the design. But
It's too dark
it's
though.
dark. If it was like a white one. Right there.
We found it. This is the one I love. If you guys can see, it's super cute, light beige. The bottom is cute. It's like frayed at the bottom, but it's $450. And I'm trying to stick with the budget. This is not our home.
Yet.
So let's go. This is not our home yet. So let's go to Target.
Where are we?
These are ugly. 4x6. These are too small.
Hell yeah.
But these are too big. So then this is our area, right? 5x7.
These are tiny.
Babe, this is 5x7. This is how
Wait.
big the one we were looking at.
That
was.
looks like it goes into the
This is
into
the
the
size of the ones we were
restroom. The
looking at,
little
wasn't
ones.
it? I took a picture of the tag. I'll tell you right now. If it was that size. It was 6x8, so 1 inch bigger than this one.
I don't either.
We got a freaking rug. We actually got this rug on Rugs Boutique. I'll link it down below. I apologize for if the lighting isn't good. It just switches up a lot in here. But this is what it looks like. We're gonna put some curtains, some painting, some more curtains, the rug. We're gonna fix this table. Alright guys, let me show you how the rug turned out. This is the rug. Isn't it so cute? I love it. For a bit I didn't really like it, but now that it's been like styled, I really like it. And this is what like the living room is looking like so far. Over here we still have my desk. Okay, we still have my desk in the same spot. Got this cute thing from Target. Couch. We put these because it helps with my TikToks to diffuse the light. And there's gonna be another one up here. We just gotta install that. And then here's our cute little coffee table with our matching TV. These wires here are just hanging out because I pull the TV out to watch TV on our table. So yeah. Alright guys, so basically that was 2 months ago. Was that 2 months ago? That was back in April. We are now in June. That footage is kind of old, but I figured I'd put it out to the world because I edited the damn thing, so I might as well be put out there. But I am going to be posting consistently. I've just been very much into making my TikToks, and I still work full-time job, so I kind of have to, it's hard to focus on a lot of things. But fuck it, I'm just gonna vlog everything and anything. So more vlogs coming soon. Yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
We can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. Take a trip up to Mars, hold you tight in my arms all the way. First time out of space.